Here are some additional vegetable garden tips. 1. Soil preparation. Test your soil type and pH level. Add organic matter like compost or manure to improve soil structure and fertility. 2. Crop rotation. Rotate vegetables to avoid depleting soil nutrients and to reduce pest and disease buildup. 3. Water wisely. Vegetables need consistent moisture. Water deeply and infrequently to encourage deep root growth. 4. Mulch and compost. Mulch retains moisture and suppresses weeds. Add compost to soil to provide nutrients. 5. Support plants. Provide support for climbing plants like peas, beans, and tomatoes. 6. Keep records. Track planting dates, weather patterns, and harvests to refine your gardening strategy. 7. Learn to identify pests and diseases. Be able to recognize common issues and take action promptly. 8. Grow a mix of vegetables. Plant a variety of vegetables to ensure a continuous harvest. 9. Keep the garden well maintained. Regularly weed, prune, and train plants to promote healthy growth. 10. Enjoy your harvest. Relish the fruits of your labor and share with others.
Growing fresh produce in no time. First things first, choose the perfect spot. Vegetables thrive in areas with 6 to 8 hours of sunlight daily. Is your soil well draining and rich in organic matter? If not, it's time to amend it. And don't forget, easy-to-grow veggies like tomatoes, lettuce, and radishes are great for beginners. Prepare your soil by testing it and adding compost or well-rotted manure. The right soil pH is crucial, so aim for a pH between 6.0 and 7.0. Planning your garden layout is key. Consider companion planting to keep pests away and ensure your plants have enough space to grow. Timing matters. Be aware of your hardiness zone and plant accordingly. Succession planting can help you enjoy a continuous harvest. Mulch around your plants to retain moisture and suppress weeds. Consistent watering is essential, but avoid overhead watering to keep fungal diseases at bay. Keep a close eye on your garden for pests and diseases. Regular inspections can save you a lot of trouble. When it's time to harvest, pick your vegetables when they're mature, but not overripe. And remember, using sharp tools is best for harvesting. Don't forget to keep a garden journal. Document